Welcome to Daily Salar Digital. Before we begin, like, share and subscribe for more credible news. Chief Election Commissioner Gyanesh Kumar said on August 24th during his two-day visit to Lucknow that India's electronic voting machines are manufactured by public sector firms and have no internet, Bluetooth or Wi-Fi connectivity. Speaking to students at Kolwin Talukdas College, Kumar discussed India's democratic system, the electoral process, EVM reliability and the importance of young voters. Responding to questions about EVMs, he reiterated that the machines are not connected to the internet or any wireless technology. He also urged students to verify the source and authenticity of information before accepting or sharing it, particularly on social media. Highlighting the scale of India's electoral exercise, Kumar said, "The country has around 100 crore voters, making the conduct of elections a massive task." Referring to Article 326 of the Constitution, he encouraged students who have reached the age of 18 to register as voters. He said the Election Commission provides voter registration facilities through its digital platforms. He advised young people to encourage their family members and peers to participate in elections. He described young people as the most important force behind the country's democratic future and said that informed participation in the electoral process would help strengthen democracy.